first make this one. Circle.
Only a circle?
Oval, or you can do oval also. And then straight line. First circle and
like this.
Oh. Yes, like straight line. Now here, make the eyes in middle.
Oh, so big.
So big eyes.
I'm going to make small.
Make the eyeball. Now this big.
Oh my gosh! I think the ants are coming. Oh! There's it looks like a bunny. It is so cute. Chop.
Now make this oval.
What's that? This much bigger. You're making everything this much bigger.
This oval. Join oval and join this. Make curved line like this and join this.
How can you do that? It's okay. It's good.
Join to the eye. This is from the eye. This. Okay. And we are erasing this. This part I erasing upper part. Okay. This part I erasing.
Give me a eraser.
This part erasing after that. First section.
Eraser. Take from your bag. Just from there.
Now, Mama. First, start the scene image now.
Yes.
1 minute more. Make this body touch here. Make this body here. Okay. This donut line right here.
How can you do it like that?
The structure of. Okay. Like this. Brush them. Make the leg over here. 1. See, this is 1, 2, 3. Then join this. Okay. How to draw? 1,
What about
2, 3.
Sir, what about gift?
Then join.
Gift.
I draw it.
Surprise.
I draw.
You will give us. What? Oh, it's gift. Why gift? Last time we got one.
Done, beta?
What was it? Oh. Hey, sir, wait for me.
Need to baby. The 1. Baby, very simple. 1, 2. The baby. Baby more easy. Only 2 eyes. Big eyes, baby.
The baby has very tiny eyes.
Hmm.
It has the tiniest eyes.
Mother and child, right over here.
That's the father.
Father and child. Okay. First finish. We'll go to senior class. I give this to okay, his parents are not coming. I give him.
Look at the eyes.
So sweet. I love it.
You touch it.
Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like my video, please subscribe, comment and share this video. Thank you.